Hello, Prestaholic gang. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing a PR package from Makartt. This packaging is everything. Let me just start by saying that. Inside of the box, they included a thank you card, and you're about to see just some of the things that we will be unboxing. If this is your first time here, then hi, I'm Deja, the owner of Prestaholic, and on this channel, you'll find a lot of press on business tips in general, and tons of unboxings. So, if you are into all of that, make sure that you click subscribe because you just won't be disappointed. This channel is amazing. Anyway, so as you see, we got a lot of charms, some glitters. These are nail extension gels. I believe they're the same as like polygel, and we also got two different gel polishes in this collection. So starting off, I'm just going to show off the nail extension gels. We had got Cosmo Black and Stellar Red, and the packaging on these babies is beautiful. Makartt always does such an amazing job with their packaging. I'm always super impressed. So here are the two colors, and first we're going to be swatching Stellar Red, which is an amazing, beautiful glitter, almost I want to say polygel instead of extension gel, but it has beautiful like chunky glitter in there. And with Cosmo Black, it has more finer glitters with like red in it, almost like red and silver. And next up we have the duets, which I actually really love, just the packaging and duets. I don't know. I thought that it was super cute. So anyway, these are 8 milliliter gel polishes. They came in chocolate and in wine, and I absolutely love Makartt gel polishes. I feel like they're super easy to work with. They're not too thick, and they're definitely not too thin, and pigmentation is always there. When I first started Prestaholic, Makartt was actually the first gel polish that I have ever owned. I had bought like a set on Amazon, and it was just like my favorite set, and it was so hard to let them go even when they were old. But anyway, this is chocolate with 2 coats, and this is wine with 2 coats as well. Again, they are 8 milliliter bottles, but they're perfect if you're doing ready to ship sets or just want to build your collection. I thought they were fantastic. These have to be my favorite thing that was sent. All of these Halloween charms were absolutely just so cute. Again, we have 2 weeks to prep for Halloween. Don't sleep on Halloween, guys. It's definitely a time to do some ready to ship sets or made to order sets, and having these charms on hand is definitely a way to upsell and just a way to jazz up your press on nails, or if you're a nail tech, your acrylic nails with clients. I thought that these were so cute, and the variety was amazing. So here we have some Halloween sequins, and I confuse sequins and glitter all the time, so excuse me if my vocabulary is wrong. But these were super cute. If you are putting these on press-on nails, then my tip for you is to add base coat and then apply the sequins. You are going to either add another layer of base coat or top coat and buff the nail, and then you're going to want to add probably another 2 layers of top coat, and the nail should be smooth and you should be able to apply them well if you're doing like an encapsulated nail. I thought they were really cute. They are pretty big, so you might want to cut some or just really try to lay them down. Next up, we have this collection of gel polishes, which are called AWSM Color. I have seen them on the Makartt website plenty of times, but I've actually never tried them. And I have to say that this collection was stunning, and I actually wasn't even expecting it to be all that, but I love the fall colors. You guys already know that you should be working on your fall sets, your Halloween sets, This is the third quarter of your business, so definitely rack up on some Makartt if you have the funds to do so, or if you saw anything that you liked. I also have a coupon code for you guys, so if you use code Prestaholic at checkout, then you will receive 15% off of your order. So again, use code Prestaholic, and I will be leaving all of the links to everything that you see here down below. I love you guys so much, and next up I will be doing a demo using the charms and some Halloween sets to add to our YouTube page, and hopefully give you guys some inspiration for your Halloween sets. I love you guys again, and if you are not already subscribed, then please do so, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.